Masking? How? Let's learn it together in CapCut. Same as what I mentioned in my DaVinci and Final Cut video, masking hides or reveals parts of your video, which can be used for cool effects. Let's add a mask. So we have one part of our clip that has a cool effect. So to do that, I'm going to take my clip here and I'm going to duplicate it first. Because I'm going to use that as an overlay because, as I said in my DaVinci and Final Cut videos, you need 2 clips in order to have a mask. So I have that duplicated. I'm going to add that as an overlay. We're going to grab that and move that to the left. And now I'm going to split up this clip a little bit because I don't want the effect being for the duration of the clip, because I want it to appear normal first, then the effect comes along. So I will split this up. Okay, now that I split that up, I'm going to add my mask. So grab that, scroll all the way to the right until you see mask. You see all these options. For this example, I'm going to use horizontal mainly. So the horizontal mask has been added, and you see it is horizontal. I'm going to do this vertical. So to do that, I'm going to grab that yellow line that you see with both my fingers, and I'm just going to move it to the middle. Yep, and there you go. The mask is there. It's been applied. Click check. And now we could add our effect. So let's go to our effects panel, add our video effect, and let's do kinetic shots. There you go. So normal clip, and there, and our effect. And I'll do it for this one too. Video effect. Let's do negative here. So let's play that all from the beginning. All right. That's how you had a mask. And one thing I did want to note is you could adjust your mask when you press onto the mask that you press again. So click onto horizontal again, and you see x-axis will move that yellow line if you don't want to touch it with your finger. Same with y-axis. Yep. And you could also rotate it. And if you want to increase and decrease the feather too. Alright, let's try out another mask. So, do the same thing we did last time. I'm going to duplicate my clip. Then, add that as an overlay. Let's move that. Alright, now that's selected. I'm going to add the mask now. I'm going to do mirror for this one. And you can see it has these 2 lines, because the mask will just be in the middle here. But I'm going to adjust this and make this diagonal. And make it a little bit smaller. Alright, we have our mask, and let's add an effect. Do something that has a cool, let's say, do something with light. Yeah, let's do Blu-ray scanning. Let's see how that looks. Let's try another video effect. Let's do monstrous. That looks interesting. Yep, that looks cooler. So let's play that. Oh, like that. There we go. And there's our mask. And we can move our mask by keyframing. So, same exact thing. Make sure you have mask selected. And go back. Mask. And then keyframe here. And let's move this down there. Then it adds a keyframe there too. Let's move this here again. Another keyframe. And it's ended here. Alright, let's play that mask. Alright, there's our mask moving down from all our keyframes, and almost at the bottom, and there, it stopped. And that's our mirror mask with a keyframe to make it move. That's masking in CapCut. Learn with me and try it out. Subscribe for more learnings and what should I learn next. And if you want to learn more, watch this video.